Hello, and welcome back to another exciting episode of the Shipmate YouTube channel. This week, we're talking all about dunnage. What is it and how do you use it? So whether you're shipping a pallet, a package, a container, you're going to be using something known as dunnage. Now, dunnage is a cheap material that is used to serve one of three purposes within your package, and that is to either add added protection, add absorbency, or to absorb shock. This extra material not only fills in available loose space, but serves the purpose of protecting your items, right? So whenever you get a package in the mail, think all that annoying material, whether it be packing peanuts or whether it be, those air cushions from Amazon that you get in the mail. So regardless of the size of the shipment, right, all the way up to container loads, people use dunnage to kind of keep things from moving and keep things from being damaged or to absorb spills. And it's an important part of the shipping industry. Here at Shipmate, most of our packages ship with dunnage because, you need to limit that movement, do that shock absorbency. And that's what makes sure that a package arrives in great condition. So today I want to talk about some of the different types of dunnage. Right, so when we're talking about dunnage, the stuff you're accustomed to is like these air pillows right here, or, the bubble wrap, comes in all different sizes, all different shapes. But you got other things, right? Like you got styrofoam, whether it be those styrofoam inserts or the peanuts. You also got brown paper, right? This is recyclable, it's cheap, it folds around, crinkles up nicely, really secures things. But then we also have other types of dunnage, right? You can have dunnage that's made custom for a specific item. You can have plastic dunnage. You can have dunnage made of wood or steel for containers, crates, pallets to kind of secure the load, right? So if you don't want something shifting around in your shipping container, you might screw that shipment down to some boards or weld it to some metal material to keep it from moving. With high value shipments, there's no end to what kind of dunnage you can use. Sometimes you can use giant air pillows. You can get really creative with the types of dunnage used. And, dunnage just gets more and more custom the higher the value of the order. But like I said, dunnage is an everyday part of shipping. So whether you're shipping a small parcel to your grandma and shoving some newspaper in there, that cheap, inexpensive material is your dunnage. And that's what's preventing damage. It's shock absorbency. It's possibly preventing leaks by being absorbent. And like I said, it's a key part of every shipment. So I hope you guys learned something about dunnage. Thank you so much for watching this video. As you see, we just passed 2,500 subscribers, and we're trying to get to 3,000. We need your help to do it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next week.